You can create a job on the Agworld website and on your device. To create jobs and activities on the Agworld website, navigate to the Workflow tab and then select Jobs. At the top of the Jobs page, choose which type of job or activity which you would like to create. For example, new recommendation. The activity page will allow you to add in comments, locations, pests, and problems, inputs and operations, as well as detailed information on how the activity will be applied and the ability to assign the activity. To add information, simply select an Add button or click on a tab on the left-hand side menu. Firstly, navigate to the Basic Details tab. If you are an agronomist with multiple clients, you will be asked to select the company that this activity is for, as well as the season. Next, add a name for the activity and then the dates for this activity. You'll also be able to set an expiry date for the activity under Advice Expiry. To specify a location for this activity, navigate to Location in the left-hand side menu and select Add Location. To choose a paddock as location, begin typing in the paddock's name and then select the paddock from the drop-down menu. You can also add an area, crop stage and phase information. If you do not provide this information, then default information will fill out these fields. You can add more than one location by selecting the Add Location button, and locations can be removed by selecting the Delete Location button. To add a pest or a problem, navigate to Pest and Problems in the left-hand side menu and select Add Problem. You will then be able to add observations including pests and problems for their activity by typing in the pest or problem and then selecting the correct one from the drop-down menu. You will then be able to specify the amount of infestation and how the infestation has been measured, the stage of the pest or problem, as well as the severity and a detailed description. You can add more than one pest or problem by selecting the Add Problem button. And a pest or problem can be deleted by selecting the Delete Problem button. The Input and Operations section in the left-hand side menu is where you'll be able to add products, seeds, and operations to the activity. To add a product, seed, or operation, click on the Add button. Next, type in the product, seed, operation, and then select the correct one from the drop-down menu, or choose an item from the Recently Used menu. The Recently Used menu will constantly update to reflect the products, seeds, and operations which you use within Agworld. Next, specify the rate and then the cost. For products, you will be able to specify restriction intervals, including re-entry, rain fast, harvest, grazing, stock feed, and plant back. You can add more inputs and operations by selecting the Add buttons. Products, seeds, and operations can be removed by selecting the Delete button. To specify the activity's application details, navigate to the Application Details tab in the left-hand side menu. First, select if this would be a liquid application or a dry application. With liquid application, you will be able to specify the water rate, the tank size, the application method, the nozzle type, and the droplet size. With dry application, you will be able to specify the application method and the droplet size. Both will allow you to fill out phase, situation time, and skip row information, as well as band information, either by percentage or by specifying the bandwidth by row spacing information. You can assign the activity by navigating to the Assign tab in the left-hand side menu. You will then be able to assign the activity to an operator company, an operator user, and to a farm asset. Make sure to add any required comments regarding this activity by navigating to the Comments tab in the left-hand side menu and adding comments. Once you have finished creating the activity, select Save in the bottom right-hand corner. Now your activity has been saved and will be available on the Agworld website and on your synced mobile devices. Our friendly customer success team is only a click away. Look for this icon within Agworld to be able to chat with us if you have any questions, need advice, or our staff.